The Somero SRS-6S laser screed is built to make large slab placement faster and more efficient. Designed for demanding commercial projects, this advanced machine uses laser-guided technology to create smooth, level concrete surfaces with impressive precision. Compared to earlier models, it features a wider 12-foot vibrator head and a head shift system that allows the screed head to move sideways, making it easier to work around columns and other obstacles. Its four-wheel drive system provides reliable traction on challenging job sites, while multiple steering modes improve maneuverability in tight spaces. The SRS-6S is also compatible with advanced grading technologies that help operators achieve highly accurate results while reducing setup time. Combining powerful performance with intelligent engineering, this innovative concrete screed demonstrates how modern construction equipment continues to improve productivity, consistency, and overall efficiency on large-scale building projects. The future of construction is taking shape with Cobod's large-scale 3D construction printers, designed to automate the building process using advanced concrete printing technology. These innovative machines can create walls and structural elements directly from digital building designs, reducing manual labor while improving speed and precision. Cobod offers several printer models to suit different project sizes, from residential homes to large commercial developments and infrastructure projects. Their modular gantry design allows the systems to be expanded or reconfigured as construction needs change, while using standard locally sourced concrete instead of specialized materials. Advanced software converts digital plans into accurate printing paths, helping deliver consistent results with minimal waste. Some models can even move continuously between multiple buildings, increasing productivity on large construction sites. By combining automation, flexibility, and intelligent engineering, Cobod's 3D construction printers represent a major step toward faster, more efficient, and highly scalable building methods for the modern construction industry. Moving large volumes of concrete quickly and accurately is essential on modern construction sites, and the Schwing S36RZ is built to handle that challenge with ease. This truck-mounted concrete pump features a 5-section roll-Z boom that provides impressive reach while allowing operators to place concrete in difficult or confined areas. Its flexible boom design makes it suitable for residential buildings, commercial projects, and large infrastructure work where precision is critical. The powerful pumping system delivers a steady flow of concrete over long distances, helping crews complete pours faster and more efficiently. A compact outrigger setup provides excellent stability while requiring less space during operation, making the machine practical on busy job sites. Designed for reliable performance and smooth operation, the S36RZ combines advanced boom technology with high pumping capacity to improve productivity and accuracy. It stands as an impressive example of how modern concrete equipment continues to make large-scale construction faster, safer, and more efficient. Precision is one of the most important parts of concrete construction, and the Lichtgene LS120 is designed to make that process faster and more accurate. This compact laser-guided screed combines advanced leveling technology with an easy-to-operate design, helping contractors produce smooth, consistent concrete surfaces on a wide range of projects. Its floating screed head and long boom reach allow the machine to cover large areas in fewer passes, improving efficiency while reducing unnecessary movement. A powerful Honda engine delivers dependable performance, while all-wheel steering and three-wheel drive provide excellent maneuverability on crowded job sites. The LS120 also supports laser grade and slope control, with optional 3D guidance for more advanced concrete applications. Joystick controls and a touchscreen display simplify operation and machine monitoring throughout the workday. Compact enough for convenient transport yet capable of professional-grade results, the Lichtgene LS120 showcases how modern screeding technology continues to improve construction productivity and accuracy. Creating smooth, durable concrete floors becomes much easier with the dynamic QUM80 Ride-On Power Trowel, a machine designed for high-efficiency finishing on large construction projects. Its ride-on design allows operators to cover wide areas comfortably while reducing fatigue during long working hours. Powered by a dependable Honda twin-cylinder engine, The QUM80 delivers the strength needed for demanding applications such as warehouses, factories, airports, and commercial buildings. The dual rotor system provides consistent surface finishing and improved concrete compaction, helping achieve a professional quality finish across expansive slabs. A heavy-duty gearbox ensures reliable performance, while multiple blade configurations allow the machine to adapt to different finishing requirements. Its low center of gravity improves stability during operation, and built-in safety features help provide greater operator protection. Combining powerful performance with efficient design, the dynamic QUM80 highlights how modern ride-on finishing equipment continues to increase productivity while delivering smoother, stronger, and more consistent concrete surfaces. The future of home building is becoming more automated with the Icon 3D printing robot, an advanced construction system designed to create buildings directly from digital designs. Using robotic concrete printing technology, the machine builds walls layer by layer with impressive precision, helping reduce construction time and material waste. Icon's latest printing systems are engineered for projects ranging from modern homes to larger building developments, offering greater flexibility than traditional construction methods. A robotic boom arm and intelligent printhead work together to place concrete accurately, while integrated software converts digital models into automated printing paths. The system also features continuous material mixing and pumping, allowing construction to progress with minimal interruption. Requiring only a small operating crew, the technology is designed to improve efficiency while maintaining consistent building quality. By combining robotics, automation, and advanced engineering, the Icon 3D printing robot represents a remarkable step toward faster, smarter, and more innovative construction for the next generation. Wall finishing is becoming faster and more efficient with automated equipment like the Derutu TD500, a machine developed to simplify modern plastering work. Designed for professional construction applications, it helps apply plaster more evenly while reducing the amount of manual labor required on residential, commercial, and industrial projects. Derutu specializes in wall treatment equipment, including automatic plastering and mortar spraying systems that are built to improve productivity and deliver consistent surface quality. These machines are designed to work with a variety of plastering materials, making them suitable for different construction environments and finishing requirements. Automated controls help maintain uniform application, allowing contractors to complete projects more quickly while achieving smoother wall surfaces. The company also provides technical support and training to help operators use the equipment effectively. By combining practical engineering with construction automation, the Derutu TD500 demonstrates how modern wall finishing technology continues to improve efficiency, consistency, and overall productivity across today's building industry. Moving heavy materials to higher levels is one of the toughest jobs on construction sites, and the Kawazo LiftBot is designed to make that process safer and more efficient. This battery-powered robotic lifting system travels along a modular rail mounted on scaffolding, automatically transporting tools and building materials between different heights. By reducing manual lifting and limiting the need for cranes in certain tasks, it helps improve productivity while enhancing job site safety. The compact system can be installed quickly and operates for long hours on a rechargeable battery, making it suitable for construction, maintenance, and industrial projects. Remote controls allow operators to manage material movement with greater precision, while integrated digital monitoring provides valuable data to help optimize workflows. Combining automation with intelligent engineering, the Kawazo LiftBot demonstrates how robotic technology is transforming vertical material handling, reducing physical strain on workers, and supporting faster, smarter, and more efficient construction operations. Reinforcing steel is essential in concrete construction, and the mesh rebar assembly robot is changing how these complex structures are built. Developed to automate rebar fabrication, the system combines industrial robotic arms with advanced digital software to assemble reinforcing steel with remarkable precision. Instead of relying on traditional manual methods, digital 3D building designs are converted directly into robotic instructions, allowing customized reinforcement elements to be produced efficiently. The robotic system can create complex shapes and curved geometries that are often difficult and time-consuming to fabricate by hand, while maintaining consistent accuracy throughout the process. This automated approach helps reduce repetitive labor, improve production quality, and minimize material errors during fabrication. Designed for modern construction and infrastructure projects, the technology connects digital engineering with automated manufacturing to streamline reinforced concrete production. The mesh rebar assembly robot demonstrates how robotics and intelligent fabrication systems are helping shape the future of faster, smarter, and more efficient construction. Delivering fresh concrete exactly when it is needed is the specialty of the Tech volumetric mixer, an innovative machine that produces concrete directly on the job site. Unlike traditional mixer trucks that transport pre-mixed concrete, this system keeps cement, aggregates, water, and additives in separate compartments until mixing begins. This on-demand process allows operators to create fresh concrete while adjusting mix designs whenever project requirements change. Digital controls help measure ingredients accurately and monitor production in real time, improving consistency throughout every pour. Because the concrete is mixed only as it is discharged, the system helps reduce waste while ensuring the material remains fresh from start to finish. Designed for construction, roadwork, and infrastructure projects, the volumetric mixer provides greater flexibility than conventional delivery methods. By combining precise measurement with mobile concrete production, the Tech volumetric mixer showcases how modern technology is making construction faster, more efficient, and more adaptable to changing job site needs. Applying large floor coatings with consistent quality can be a demanding task, and the Dafangai DFG 600 floor coating robot is designed to automate the process with impressive precision. Built for commercial and industrial environments, this intelligent robot can apply epoxy primer, intermediate layers, and top coats while reducing the need for manual labor. Using advanced LiDAR-based navigation, it moves autonomously across the work area, creating efficient paths and maintaining accurate positioning throughout the job. Its intelligent flow control system automatically adjusts the coating rate to match different materials, helping achieve smooth, even coverage while minimizing waste. The robot also features precision pressure and scraper angle control to maintain consistent contact with the floor for a uniform finish. Suitable for factories, hospitals, schools, office buildings, shopping centers, and parking facilities, the Dafangai DFG 600 showcases how robotics and smart automation are improving efficiency, accuracy, and productivity in modern floor coating and construction applications. Interior finishing is becoming smarter with the Okibo ceiling painting robot, an autonomous machine designed to handle ceiling painting, wall coating, drywall finishing, and sanding with impressive efficiency. Using AI-powered 3D scanning and real-time mapping, the robot navigates construction sites independently without requiring external sensors or special markers. Its fully battery-powered design includes an onboard material hopper and pump, allowing it to work without long hoses or cables that can slow down operations. Compact enough to pass through standard doorways, it also features an omnidirectional drive system for smooth movement in tight indoor spaces. The robot can quickly switch between different finishing tasks using modular tools, making it suitable for a variety of construction projects. By reducing repetitive manual work and delivering consistent application quality, the Okibo ceiling painting robot demonstrates how intelligent automation is improving productivity, enhancing job site safety, and transforming the future of modern interior construction and finishing. Working in tight spaces often requires specialized lifting equipment, and the Hoflon C6E is designed to deliver impressive performance without the size of a conventional crane. This fully electric mini spider crane combines compact dimensions with a powerful lifting capacity, making it ideal for construction, glazing, steel installation, and industrial maintenance projects. Narrow enough to pass through standard doorways, it can access locations where larger cranes simply cannot operate. Hydraulic outriggers and automatic leveling provide excellent stability, while the rotating boom and optional fly jib extend its reach for challenging lifting tasks. The crane also offers pick-and-carry capability, allowing operators to transport lighter loads across the job site with ease. Because it runs entirely on electric power, the C6E produces zero emissions and low noise, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. The Hovlon C6E demonstrates how compact engineering continues to improve lifting efficiency, flexibility, and productivity in modern construction. Underground mining and tunnel construction require equipment built for demanding conditions, and the SCAMIC LC065A is designed specifically for safe and efficient rock scaling operations. Its compact design allows the machine to work in confined tunnels while reaching loose rock on walls and overhead surfaces with an articulated scaling boom. Built for productivity, it combines powerful performance with precise control to help repair underground areas before crews continue their work. The machine is available with diesel or electric power, offering flexibility for different mining and tunneling environments. A reinforced operator cabin features protective structures, excellent visibility, and advanced safety systems to improve comfort during long shifts. Optional remote operation and onboard camera systems provide additional control in hazardous areas, while dust and fire suppression systems enhance workplace safety. The SCAMIC LC065A demonstrates how modern underground construction equipment is improving safety, efficiency, and reliability, while supporting demanding mining and tunneling projects around the world. Floor tile installation is becoming more advanced with the Partner Robotics P900, an intelligent robot designed to automate one of the most time-consuming tasks in construction. Using precision control and robotic technology, the machine lays floor tiles quickly while maintaining consistent alignment and spacing across large surfaces. Designed for airports, shopping centers, railway stations, schools, residential buildings, and other commercial projects, the P900 helps reduce manual labor while increasing installation efficiency. Its automated system is engineered to improve tile placement accuracy and reduce hollow spots beneath finished flooring, contributing to a stronger and more uniform surface. As part of a digital construction workflow, the robot supports faster project completion while delivering reliable results on large-scale flooring applications. By combining intelligent automation with modern construction practices, the Partner Robotics P900 demonstrates how robotics are transforming floor installation into a faster, more precise, and highly efficient process, helping meet the growing demands of today's construction